Well, bond is set for one of the men accused in Sunday's deadly hit-and-run accident that killed an Omaha doctor.
A preliminary hearing is also on the books for 31-year-old Pedro Diego-Antonio, who is allegedly behind the wheel of the car that hit and killed Dr. Edward Horowitz. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Emily Zink was in court this morning and is now live with the story. Emily.
Well, guys, today in court, prosecutors asked that the judge please set a high bond for Pedro Diego-Antonio. The bond was set at $300,000 because they believe he could be a flight risk. He is a native of Guatemala. Now, according to prosecutors, even if he was able to post bond, he wouldn't be allowed to leave the country. Right now, Immigration and Customs Enforcement has a hold on him. Diego-Antonio is facing a motor vehicle homicide charge for the death of Creighton University Dr. Ed Horowitz. Officials say Diego-Antonio and his passenger ditched their car a few blocks away from 38th and Dodge, where Dr. Horowitz was hit. Police tracked the two down a short time after a witness gave them a license plate number. Diego-Antonio told officers that he had been drinking that day. He also has previous driving offenses, one of them being a DUI back in 2011. District Attorney Don Klein says there needs to be a stricter punishment than just a fine for repeat driving offenders.
If somebody's out there and just knows they're not supposed to drive and continues to drive, like I said, doesn't have insurance and does the kinds of things that happen here, even before that happens, the fact that they're ignoring the law should be something substantial.
Officials say that Pedro Diego-Antonio's blood alcohol level was 3 times the legal limit. His next day in court will be July 28th. Reporting live outside the Douglas County Jail, Emily Zink, KMTV Action 3 News.